Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago. I don't remember exactly when, but that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's very, very nice movement, certainly updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just from a more so a house cleaning perspective and delete this green line out. Sure, that level pertains, it's just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that remember the last video I did, I talked about 43 as a resistance, and you can see that the price, once it was broken above it, that was kind of the floodgates opened up. So that is one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 48 cents. With that being said, though, I'm not saying that if the price falls below 48 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying that, preferably speaking, if the price could somehow actually stay above 48, that would be a massive sign of power. But again, not only do you have 48 cents as support, you have the 43, and then from the big picture point of view, you have the purple line down there, the 50-period moving average. And as the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So bottom line, as long as the price stays above that, purple line as it's the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you're going to best visualize that, that is what is being represented. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the party stopped today right up there at 51 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, any way you look at it, as long as the price keeps on building higher lows, which it's been doing over the past few days. So if you envision those as stair steps, then yeah, focused on building higher stair steps, because as long as the stair steps are in play, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.